I'm back for the last part of our plyometric exercises. Are you still good? So far so good pa guys? Whew. Okay, first part na din kahit mahangin. Ano? Buti hindi maingay ang kapaligiran kasi may ginagawa dito. Anyway, so I will already the last 4. We have number 21, the Heisman Shuffle. Heisman Shuffle. Ang Heisman Shuffle po ay para din itong Iki Shuffle variations. Ang Iki Shuffle variations nga lamang 1, 2, 3, 4 counts. Pero yung paapat na count, ang paa ay lumalapat sa sahig. Pero dito sa Heisman Shuffle, ang pang-apat na step, 1, 2, 3, 4, pa-fourth is like hop. Hop. I'll show you. Okay? So this one. Wait. Isip ko nga aking video. Parang hindi yata maganda ang position. Yan. Game pa rin. Okay, ready? So ito 1, Heisman Shuffle. 1, 2, 3, hop. Yun ang number 4. Nakataas. Tapos pagbaba, 1, 2, 3, hop. 1, 2, 3, Heisman. 1, 2, 3, Heisman. Okay? Yun ang Heisman Shuffle. I'll do it in a nice way. Ready? Go! 1, 2, 3, Heisman. 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 Okay? So, ako na may gumagawa ng kaunting movement na katawa-tawa. Hindi naman katawa-tawa. Para lang mag-enjoy. Okay? Just motivate myself. I'll do it in a nice way. Ready? Ready? Go! 1, 2, 3. Huh! 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 Pagka ginawa nyo to, at least pwede kayong sumigaw ng as inhale, exhale, para hindi masyadong mapagod. I'll do it in the left side. Right side, right side. Ready? 1, 2, 3, huh! 1, 2, 3, huh! Same thing. Hey! Huh! 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 Yan. Okay? Siguro kung na-imagine nyo, ramdam nyo ba yung pressure sa legs, this one? Actually, kahit nakakagawa ako ngayon, I already feel the muscles of my legs. Talagang medyo na-stretch. Mamaya, masakit ito hanggang bukas. Okay? Pero okay lang. Okay? Number 21. Next, number 22. Forward, backward, hops. Forward, backward, hops. Ito ay creating V-shape. Parang crossing. Crossing and then creating V-shape. Let's do it. Forward, forward, backward, and then creating the V-shape. Yan. So in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. So creating V upon stepping on each box. Again, ulit. Dito naman sa kabila. Ready? Go! Yan. Kita nyo? Yan. Okay? So, that's it. I'm maintaining my balance. I'm maintaining my balance. Okay? Next, number 20. Dadalawa na. Number 23. Actually, habang tumatagal kasi, kung tutusin, madali lang naman. Madali lang. Talaga nga lang, pag hindi ka nagpakondisyon, pag hindi ka nag-stretching, mahirapan ka talaga. And I think, ang pinakamahirap lang dito ay yung may lunge. Okay? Sige. Number 23. 2 forward, 1 back. 2 forward, ibig sabihin, 2 box ang tatalunan mo, and then 1 box backward. Okay? Repetition lang. Ulit. 1 box backward and then 2 boxes forward. Repetition lang. Okay? So from the bottom, I will start jumping forward. 2 box forward and then single box backward. And then 2 box. 1 box. 2 box. 1 box. 2 box forward. 1 box backward. 2 box forward. 1 box backward. 2 box backward. 1 box backward. 2 box forward. Okay? So ganun lang. Ulit. I will do it. I will repeat it. One more. You can do it in a moderate. Moderate ang intensity. Moderate. Okay? Ready? Go! Oops! Oh, sorry. Wrong. Mali. Next touch. Okay, ulit. Ready? Concentrate. Ready, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Woo! Yeah! Woo! Next, last but not the least, the ladder taps. Itong ladder taps, pinakapahinga. Para ka lang naglalakad sa aisle. Okay? Ladder taps. So it's either on the right side or on the left side. Ito naman ay ang isang paa nasa labas, ang isang paa abala sa loob. Okay? Let's show you. Let's ladder taps. So I will use the right side. So my my left leg is inside the box. Ito yung lalakad sa loob ng ladder while the right side is nasa sa labas. Ready? Go. Yan lang po. Ladder taps. Okay? Single leg tap, pero isang paa lang sa loob ng box. Okay? Sa right side naman, right foot, inside. Go. Yan lang po. Yan. Pakaang-kaang. Okay? Yan guys. Yun ang ating 24 plyometric exercises. Very good. Nice one. Thank you for watching. Sana nakarelate kayo sa ating ginawa na plyometrics. So guys, yun ang inyong activities for semifinals. Okay? Siguro natapos ko to ng mga more or less, mga 40 minutes, 45 minutes ako dito. Okay? So ito nga pala, pag ginawa ninyo, ay isang set lang. Halimbawa, isang pasada lang. Okay? Hindi nyo po ulitin o no repetitions at all. Just only one pasada. Kung hinihingi po ay right or left, it's up to you. It's your freedom to choose. Kung ano saan kayo magiging komportable. Kung gusto nyo ay lahat ay kanan na side, kung gusto nyo ay left hand lang ang simula, pwede rin po. Siyempre, may mga bottom tayo, ay di alternation left and right. Okay? Kung saan kayo magiging komportable. And then, among those 24, baka meron po kayo dyan na hindi kayang gawin at sagabal sa inyong activity, sa inyong body composition, just let me know, ha? Ay sir, hindi po kaya lahat 24. Wag naman gayon, ha? Lahat yan ay makakatulong sa ating bone density, sa ating musculoskeletal, and of course, our cardiorespiratory. Ha? Okay? At pagka ginawa nyo to, please have the water on your side. Have the water on your side. Okay? And then, by the way, balik ako sa sinabi ko kanina, kung talagang hindi kayo pwedeng gawin lahat yan, just let me know. And then, I will give you an alternative. Okay? Pero kung akong tatanungin at kaya naman ng katawan, go for it! Yan para din sa inyong kapakanan. Para din sa inyong kapakanan niyaan. Makakatulong yan sa inyo, guys. Trust me. And I'm trusting you. Okay? So yan po, and then the instructions for our semifinals will be posted in the PowerPoint. After watching these videos, I will explain. Ano? Okay? Don't worry, I'll give you a I will give you a long time to spend for this activity. Ha? Okay? So thank you very much for watching. Sana ay natutunan niyo ang plyometric exercises. Yan na, pinagsama-samang movement competency. And this one, the plyometric cardiorespiratory and musculoskeletal fitness. Okay? Thank you very much. Good luck. And ingat kayong lahat. Happy weekend. Bye-bye. Mwah. Yeah. Woo.